Video says it's got the protector on it. Brand new 2021 Honda Accord. I just washed it. Gonna spray it and decontaminate it. Let's see how much protection is it. They said they put some sort of coating on it. See how well it lasts. The glass definitely has something on it. It has something on it, but you can see it's only been 4 months. But the coating is not holding up that well. It's already sheeting all over the place. It does have coating left some places, but I'm sure they charge this guy a lot of money or extra on top of their car because they offer this service. Look at the size. There's no coating whatsoever. Look at that. It's just sheet. So the protector sucks, whatever it is the dealer put on. It didn't protect anything. It's a great example, you can tell. So they definitely coated the windows with something. But then the rest of the car was probably just coated with a wax, to be honest. In 4 months, it's gone. Nearly completely on any part that is exposed. So the window, of course, look at that. It's great. They might have put some Rain-X on the windshield. But there's no ceramic coating on this car that somebody paid a $2,000 addendum or something for. So if you do go buy a car, ask them, what are you putting on my car that you're charging me for?